Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are all on behalf of Master Billy and best wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video you can create two types of YouTube video in playlist. Okay, two types of video and playlist. And I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say to that those who are the new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share in another fan circle. And your great motivation this video, comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. The video you can create two types of YouTube video playlist. Okay, this is the my YouTube channel and the playlist and new playlist, and click one type of new function number one, new playlist function number one, new click and any types, any name, the click and private or private or public or unlist. Okay, public, then create, then and two types of and to create and playlist mobile. Click here and instruction and explain how to create a new playlist using the iOS Android mobile service. Okay, by device. And function number two, to add video to an playlist. If you adding the video playlist while the watching, and click the add to icon below the video title and click the box and next. Okay, this is the playlist and which the you like to edit this, and the playlist number one, the any name the choose, and then playlist number one and public or private and other, and the create. Then another option if playlist and function number two and another playlist number two, then the collaborate. Okay, this is the collaborate function number one, the and off option. This is the your the right option, right button and right button click, then automatically open your function number automatically and your playlist and the link in the link the copy, then done. This is the playlist number one. And the add any video, then add video, then automatically your video content, the video content link to the share in any type any video, then the copy, then paste the charts, then automatically added video, then in another video and link share, then three icon bar click, then get shareable link copy, then the paste the video and charts and the automatically added this video and totally and playlist the and collaborate and the video layer sync and video sharing and another social media. Okay, this is the copy, then done. Then any type of video and another browser use, then another browser use the collaborate copy link, then paste, then automatically enter the automatic to only two video and share the two video and the added the playlist, then this is the two video and showing. This is the any types of 1 2 or 100 200 300 any video and playlist added, and the collaborate page link and share the any friend circle, other friend circle. Okay, this is the video and user and UR link. Okay, UR link to the playlist, the page again the playlist and the collaborate on playlist setting, choose the collaborate track and toggle and the setting the collaborate added video the playlist and from the share. Okay, and you can send them link where the can video and playlist. Okay, once your friend been invite the playlist, they will be able to new video and remove video you have they added the past. They just have to follow some and scan instruction first and confirm you want to be and contribute and the save the playlist in their own account. Okay, when you added the video and playlist you are collaborating on your name and appear next to the video in the playlist, and everyone who has been invited to collaborate the playlist and get notification this new video has been added. Okay, this is the new video, and the added the any friend circle the collaborate the video, and your friend circle you automatically your notification showing the and collaborate the notification and the playlist. Okay, so no more today, those who are still subscribe my channel, please subscribe the very quickly and bell icon button, and stay with us this kind of new video inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.